Hi, welcome to Evolving Mail. I'm going to do just a quick review. Someone asked me, they'd seen inside my Jeep I had a dead pedal, and they saw it and they asked me to do a review on it. So if you don't know, a dead pedal is just a spare pedal for your left foot. If you're driving and you don't have like a lot of cars put a little place to put your foot. Well, the Jeep doesn't. So it's really handy if you're just cruising down the road. You want some place to stick your foot. You got your other foot on the gas, or off-road. It's really super handy because it helps you just kind of hold on. So I'm going to review one I got real quick. It's from Hooke Road. It's Hooke. I'll put a link to the Amazon one I bought. I'm going to review it real quick. It's super easy to put in. The hardest part was trying to figure out how to put this thing together. It comes in 3 pieces. I've already installed it, and I just took it back off to touch up the paint a little bit that I painted it. But I'll give you a quick look at it, and then we'll go put it in. Okay, so I just touched it up. I'm going to let it dry a little bit, but you can see it's 3 pieces. It comes in the one I'm holding here, and then there's 2 other pieces. So if you get this and there's no directions to it, and you can see I kind of bent mine a little bit, right? That's just because I pushed it down till I got it kind of where I wanted it once it was in place. And it's sort of just the gist of it. You have to kind of put it in there and get it how you like it. But it's really good. It was like 20 bucks, I think. Maybe not even 20 bucks. It might have been like 12. So just put it together. I painted it red to match my Jeep. It's got like a little Jeep kind of cut out on there, and we're gonna go put it in. Okay, so all you need for this thing is a 13mm wrench. I got a 13 and 14. I couldn't remember which one it was, but I got a 13. There's the nut for it. And then you're just gonna up in here. You see you got that little nut right there. We get another one. You get another bolt sticking out right there. So we're gonna put it on there and just tighten her down. And let me get it in. Okay, so you can see some crowded space right here. So I'm gonna see if I can, stupid light, it's bright. So I'm just gonna get it up on that. Got some wires and some other crap up in here that's sort of hiding from everybody else, but you can see up in there. I'm just gonna take this nut, put the nut up in there. And just tighten her down, and that's all there is to it. And then once you get it tightened down, just kind of get it where you want it, right in place. And now when you're in there, and when you're sitting in here, you got a place to rest your foot, right? That's it. That's all you're looking for, a place to rest your foot. So that's pretty easy. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. Thanks for checking it out. I've got my COVID-19 mask on because I just came back from the store getting some milk. And stay safe, guys. And don't forget, if you're wearing a mask for nothing, then what does it matter? But you might be saving somebody's lives. So try to wear a mask. That's my rant for the day. Anyway, I'm trying to be better about it. Anyway, wear a mask. Be careful. Stay safe. Keep your distance. Wash your hands. See you guys later. Take it easy. Bye.